at Juicebox DAO, and today I'm going to show you a new feature that the team at Peel DAO rolled out that lets project creators post updates about their projects. Keeping your community in the loop is one of the best ways to ensure your project's success. The more your community hears from you about what you're working on, the stronger the trust will build and increase the likeliness of getting more funding from both new and old supporters. Project updates can include announcements for new milestones, events, or partnerships, updates to your project's roadmap, or any new developments that relate to your project. Whether you're celebrating accomplishments or simply keeping the community informed about the progress of your project, it's important to keep supporters updated on a regular basis. So the first thing that we'll do is connect our wallet. On your project page, you'll notice a new tab that says Updates. In this section, you'll see a button that says Add Project Update. Click it and it will prompt a signature request. In the pop-up window, you can add a title, description, and image to your update. Note that you can't edit an update, but you can delete one and post a new one in case you make a mistake. I'll be using the Juicecast project on Gorally as an example for this tutorial. If you aren't already familiar, the Juicecast is a series of conversations with builders and creators working in the Juicebox ecosystem and beyond. In this example, I'll post an update informing the community about our new NFT collection that lets supporters sponsor an episode. So I'll start with a title, and then I'll add a message. Last, I'll add an image that's relevant to the update. Keep in mind that this will be cropped to a horizontal rectangular shape. When you're done, click Add Update to post your update. And that's it. All done. So the project page should refresh, or you can refresh it yourself, and you'll notice the number text next to the Updates tab that keeps track of how many updates have been posted. The update will also include the date that it was posted, as well as the wallet that was used to sign the message. Finally, here are a couple things to avoid when posting updates. Don't make vague statements that could mislead your community. Again, posting updates is all about building trust with your supporters, so don't overpromise and make sure that your message is crystal clear. The more active your project, the better. Being consistent means finding a balance so that your community isn't spammed with updates, or, on the other hand, wondering if the project is still active months later. Alright, well, that's it for today for project updates. If you have any questions or need help along the way, drop into the support channel in the Juicebox Discord at discord.gg/juicebox. If you want some one-on-one help setting up your project, reach out at juicebox.money/contact. And if you want to stay on top of the latest news, features, and trending projects in the Juicebox ecosystem, make sure to subscribe to our weekly newsletter, Juice News, at subscribepage.io/juicenews.